guys ask me all the freaking time how I do these pleats. So I'm going to show you. First of all, tons of pins. Secondly, you're stitching in the ditch here and you're sliding it up your hand needle through to where you want your next stitch to be. And then you have to very carefully, where that thread is, bring it back in like so. And that creates your little pleat. That's your little hand draped pleat. So then you just repeat this step. Ideally, you're catching the fabric underneath to keep it sticking like so. And you just go along. And ideally, once you take the pins out, your pleats stay. When they are done, they look like this. Very romantic, very beautiful. Kind of have this vibe. I did it all up here, super organic, very beautiful, 10 out of 10.